everyone desires: a seamless journey, an exciting experience, a fulfilling trip. Welcome to CIHMS All-in-One Hotel Management Solution, enhancing every moment of your travel experience. The CIHMS platform streamlines the check-in process, enabling customers to check in online quickly. Customers can proactively request room services via their smartphone. Confirm service package usage solely by facial recognition. CIHMS, a comprehensive ecosystem that combines accommodation with entertainment activities into a seamless experience. Elevate customer experience at various points of sale by enabling room charge. Checkout procedures are simplified. Scan QR code, view transactions, and pay bills via many modern payment methods. We always prioritize customer experience. Customers' trust and satisfaction are our mission. Let CIHMS's technology innovations support sustainable business development. Your digital transformation journey begins here. CIHMS All-in-One Hotel Management Solution.